Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today, we are looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on September 22, 2025, just yesterday. The headline result is bold. Using only 78 carefully designed training samples, it hits 73.5% on agency benchmarks and beats models trained on 10,000 samples by 53.7%. The paper is titled LIMI, Less is More for Agency, and as we will see, the implications for model training are quite significant. Beyond the headline, the study defines agency, focuses on software and research workflows, and shows that strategic curation beats data volume through the agency efficiency principle. Also, the authors shared a GitHub repo. You will find a clear README, model zoo links, and dataset pointers, plus quick start code for transformers and VLLM. There are training scripts using the SLIME framework, an evaluation suite with defined metrics, and assets like cards.zip. License and citation details are included. On Hugging Face, you'll find LIMI at 355 billion and LIMI Air at 106 billion parameters, plus transformers and VLLM quick start snippets, chat templates, and the curated agentic dataset. Alright, Figure 1 makes the core claim vivid. A tiny, well-curated training set delivers markedly higher agency than much larger corpora. The left panel stacks model scores on agency bench, and the tallest bar reaches 73.5%. Which signals a broad margin over common baselines. The right panel contrasts performance versus sample count to show a 53.7% gain, despite using only 78 examples, so quality outweighs quantity for agency. Well, Figure 2 shows what a single long-horizon query looks like, and why it packs so many learning signals. The example breaks one request into 5 linked subtasks that span planning, tool use, and collaboration, which illustrates agentic complexity. Each subtask states goals, constraints, deliverables, and acceptance criteria, so the agent must plan, execute, and verify outcomes. This structure explains how a small number of rich demonstrations can teach robust autonomy. So Table 1 defines the playground for measuring agency, because it lists 10 multi-step tasks that span coding, research, data digging, and complex question answering. The table presents software buildouts like a C++ chat system and a Java to-do app, along with research workflows and dataset retrieval. Several items test scientific reasoning, such as iterative function fitting. The final entries probe real-world knowledge using NBA careers and S&P 500 business questions. So, Table 2 makes the central point concrete. A tiny, curated training set delivers stronger agency than much larger corpora. The table groups results into baselines, generalization, and data efficiency, which lets us separate raw capability from transfer and sample economy. LIMI tops each block with about 73% average on agency bench, while GLM 4.5 stays near 45%. The standout metric is first-turn functional completeness, meaning the agent's first reply already forms a workable plan or code, which jumps to about 72%. Wrapping up, 2 takeaways stand out. Strategic curation beats brute scale for autonomous agency, and long end-to-end trajectories teach planning, tool use, and verification that transfer across tasks. The broader implication is practical. Invest in a few rich demonstrations, not massive corpora, to train working agents. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.